The development of prototypes in biomedical technologies, especially in the field of biodevices and biosensors, is a strategic pillar for innovation in healthcare, as it allows for the transformation of digital models into functional physical solutions through advanced manufacturing processes. In this context, additive manufacturing is consolidating itself as a key methodology by enabling the creation of three-dimensional structures layer by layer, facilitating customization, reducing costs in small batches, and producing complex geometries. Likewise, rapid prototyping, although initially focused on the agile generation of preliminary models, has evolved toward broader applications ranging from design validation to the final production of patient-specific medical components. Furthermore, additive manufacturing comprises a structured sequence that begins with CAD modeling, continues with conversion to standardized formats such as STL, machine configuration, and automated assembly, and concludes with post-processing and clinical application stages. In fact, several techniques exist, including selective laser sintering, SLS, fused deposition modeling, FDM, powder bed fusion, PBF, inkjet printing, IJP, stereolithography, SLA, and laminated object manufacturing, LOM, each with specific properties and limitations depending on the material and mechanism used. Consequently, additive manufacturing not only optimizes production times and supply chains, but also redefines personalized care models, driving more precise, efficient, and individualized medicine.